Alrighty, my beautiful fucking people. How are we doing? How are we doing? So, today was a decent but slow morning. Just literally woke up like about an hour ago. Traded London session today. I uploaded a video on that. I took a trade or two. I don't think it was. I took two trades. I didn't take the third one. Should have took the third one, but I didn't. Whatever. Two trades in London. Two trades in New York. Yeah. Pretty simple shit, honestly. I'll show you. Alright. Right here, we have... I can turn this on. These were the trades I took in London session, by the way. Alright. So what do I look at when I'm going into New York? What already happened in the past. Okay, so what's that? Asia and London and previous New York Open and New York PM, whatever. I did exactly that. On top of the fact that my most recent trade in London was a reversal, tapping and exceeding the day open. So, in my eyes, that's like, okay, we're bullish. This was our manipulation, but no, we're bullish. At least for the moment, you know what I mean? And yeah. Let's see. Alright. Fantastic. I bet. Lost my train of thought. Alright, yeah, so we're bullish, right, for pre-market. But if we go into the 1 hour, there aren't really any draws on liquidity as soon as the highs get taken. Like, there really isn't anything. Like, what's left to go up? To go higher? Yeah, sure, that's a possibility. But realistically speaking, that's never really going to happen unless all liquidity within the market is swept, which at the time it wasn't, because the lows weren't really touched. At least London wasn't. But whatever, right? Alright, I think this is 9:30. Yeah, 9:30 candle hits. Let's turn these on. 9:30 candle hits. Drop down to the 5 minute. Drop down to the 1 minute. Why is my shit laggy? Oh, whatever. This is my area of interest. It broke to the upside, and then it was just floating around here. At 9:30, which was this candle exactly, it broke above. I usually don't buy at exactly 9:30. I usually buy at 9:32, maybe 9:34. Definitely at least 2 minutes after 9:30 open, just to seclude myself away from the volatility. Even though ES isn't really that volatile, but 9:30 candle could be a bitch sometimes, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I risked it for the biscuit. I bought right here, risking my whole area of interest, which is a little less than what I would usually trade for this. I would usually risk 8 points, but this is 7.75. Touching or surpassing the recent high, which was at least 20.25. Yeah, you clearly see it was a winning trade on that nigga. Then we go to the 1 minute, to the 5 minute, and we see there's a 5 minute gap. We see that we actually couldn't push above that 5 minute gap, so we started coming back down. Right here, we actually totally disrespected the gap. We dropped back down to the 3 minute. We see on the 3 minute, there's inefficiency right there. If we go on to the 1 minute, we we can actually see that inefficiency. That inefficiency. It's right there to there. Clearly see that the inefficiency gets tapped right here because it doesn't really break it. So what did I know now? Now we're in bearish confirmation. Why? Because we tapped a gap. We respected it. We fulfilled it. Now we're going to seek lower pricing, which is exactly what we did. So what did I do? Right here, I believe it's a 15-minute gap. Dude, why is it like laggy? What the fuck? Okay, whatever. Yeah, right here there's a 15-minute gap. I'm sorry, right here to here. And that's exactly where I entered. Dude, it's so fucking laggy. Holy shit. I entered there to the retouch of my bias, and it hit. Now, those were the two trades I actually took. There was another trade right around here. Okay? Now, the only reason why I didn't take it was it was pre-market. And usually after New York, pre-market isn't as smooth as pre-market on London or pre-market on Asia. Look at this. This is like total bullshit. You know what I mean? This is absolute fucking bullshit. But it does take out the low. And then it sweeps lower. So, area of interest. Shit, sorry. Area of interest is right here. There's a 15-minute gap right here. I'm sorry. A 5-minute gap. Where is it? Right here. 15-minute gap. Sorry. No, 5 minute. 3 minute? 1 minute? Alright. It's a 1 minute gap inside of a 3 minute, inside of a 5 minute. Fantastic. Okay. We clearly see it disrespects it. We go back onto the 1 minute and we see that it actually taps it. Taps it. Oh, no, it doesn't tap it. Okay. Well, I thought it did. Anyways, you could have shorted this like right here, risking like 5 fucking points, targeting the Asia low, which did get it. Ended up getting touched right there. My point being is, look at this fucking price. Yeah, it's moving down, but bro, look at, I'm not taking this shit, bro. Like, and I was going to. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was so sleep deprived. I was like, you know what, fuck it, let's just. But no. I literally just closed my computer. I didn't close it, but I just like I turned it off. Yeah, I was actually gonna. I don't know, that's fucking stupid. But whatever. Yeah, if you wanted to, you could have took that. I mean, I wouldn't, but yeah. Yeah, that was what I took at New York, London, New York. Took 2 trades in London. Took 2 trades in New York. Could have took 3, but saved it off because, to be honest, that third one was bullshit. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't really enjoy these type of videos, but you know, if you guys do enjoy them, I'll probably keep them coming. Yeah, next video whenever I upload. Peace.